Hey beautiful! Today I will be reviewing the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner from Camille Rose. I am very excited to be sharing this with you and to give my 2 cents about it and how it works on my hair. Be sure to watch the video all the way through so you can see how it worked on my hair and how it left my hair feeling. And of course, if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Be sure to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube knows you like this kind of video and they'll present you with more videos like this, I guess. Also look around, there's more on natural hair on this channel. I'm sure you'll find some interesting videos and hopefully they'll be helpful to you on your natural hair journey. To my returning subscribers, you know I love you guys. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting me. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. My hair is quite well shampooed and rinsed. And this will be really good because it allows for a clean slate so the deep conditioner can really penetrate and do its job inside the cuticle of the hair with no barriers such as buildup. You know what I mean? So before I apply the product, I just wanted to quickly have a chat about it and why I chose to review this product and to try it out on my hair. So Camille Rose have had this deep conditioner out for a while now, but I just never tried it and decided to try it recently because, I'll be honest, it's the ingredient list that drew me to this product, and of course the fact that I needed under 30 minutes to deep condition or for the product to work. So the star ingredients are the algae that's supposed to strengthen the hair. The other star ingredient in this product is the mango butter, and we know that mango butter is very hydrating. It's really quite closely related or close in its effects on the hair to shea butter and what it does on the hair. So that was really attractive to me. If we go down the ingredient list, I was so excited to see a humectant as the second ingredient and also shea butter, which we love. Guys, they have got glycerin in here, they've got honey. All these are humectants, and you know I am crazy about humectants. I like the fact that they also have biotin, which is gonna be really good to strengthen the hair. So I was like, look, I gotta try this. I gotta have it. Just kidding. Anyway, pretty much the ingredient list attracted me to this product in a nutshell. Now here in Australia, you could get it for $40 at St. Curl. Guys, very pricey. However, you can get it on another website called Nature's Hair, and it's $30 there. So yeah, just some options for my Australian ladies. I know in the United States you have more access to these products. And now to review the product itself. I have seen multiple videos on YouTube. People love this mask, and yeah, I was just really drawn to it because there's been great reviews. And when I smelt it, guys, I was like, whew, it's got such a beautiful sweet smell. It's got little bits in there that I'm assuming are the algae or maybe the hemp. Maybe the hemp. Let's say it's the hemp, right? The consistency is very thick and it's very smooth. It's not the thickest mask that I've used, and to be honest, I'm starting to learn that I prefer my masks to not be too thick because of two things. It's easy to apply on the hair, and also you get to use less. Hey, yeah, that's a good reason to use masks that aren't too thick. So I was ready to apply this luxury onto my hair, and I just went to town. I was very generous. It's almost like I didn't know what I was doing, guys. I was just like, oh, where do I start? Where do I start? But anywho, I went in generously and applied the mask all over the hair before sitting under a hooded dryer attachment for 30 minutes. I know the product says you can sit for 20 minutes minimum. But I sat there I sat there for 30 minutes just to make sure just to be sure I gave my hair the best opportunity to absorb the product. So yeah, you see me apply the product generously, work it in, squeeze it in before going ahead to let it sit. Now, when I applied the product to my hair, it was quite easy to apply. Obviously, I had to do more work to squeeze it in because of the twist, but I'm sure if your hair is loose, this will be pretty straightforward and easy to work through the hair. It felt very smooth on the hair. It smelled great on my hair. You know, overall, I really, really liked how it felt when applied to the hair. And honestly, even if I was quite generous with the product, I didn't seem to use as much as I usually do when it comes to masks like this. And I strongly believe because of the consistency that's not too thick, so you can actually spread it through a little bit easier. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the product is, you know, quite nice on the hair. And it may look, I don't know, I guess maybe it's just the camera, but it may look like the product's just sitting on my hair, or maybe it's not going into the hair, or maybe I haven't applied enough, but I actually have applied quite a bit of the product and worked it through. I did get my roots and try to separate the twist a little bit more just to allow the product to go in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know I look crazy, but I mean, why not pop on a mask on the hair and a mask on the face at the same time, right? Anywho, 30 minutes under this hooded dryer attachment, and then I went ahead and rinsed the hair all out. Now, before I rinsed the hair, I noticed that the product actually seeped through into the hair, and all that white residue that we were seeing when we were applying the product initially, you will see that it's all gone now. And I believe that's because of the heat and the time that I gave the product to seep into the hair. You can still see little bits on the top, but for the most part, it's really gone into the hair, and the hair does feel really soft, really silky. And I'm excited about how my hair will feel after the rinse, because a lot of these products, once you rinse them out, you know, that's pretty much it. It's almost like it was good while it lasted, but not anymore, if you know what I mean. But anyway, we're gonna rinse the hair now and yeah, talk about how my hair feels after. Okay, so the product rinsed out pretty easily, no problems there at all. And I'm glad to report that the hair still does feel quite soft even after rinsing the product. Yippee! We've got a winner. I'm so happy that this product worked on my hair. I'm really excited about using it again because I don't know if you could tell at the beginning of the video, I only used a little bit, so I could use this for months and months on end. So I'm really excited that I have this product to continue using for the next few months. I encourage you to try it if you're looking for a really hydrating conditioning mask or deep conditioner, if you're struggling to find one. The price point is not attractive, okay, let's be honest, but for someone that washes their hair every month, every 2 months, this, yeah, it makes sense because obviously you are not washing your hair every week, so it's not like you need a new product every month. You could actually have this for, 6 months easily, So yeah, definitely give it a try. My hair is hydrated. I can see my definition sort of coming or being encouraged, so I'm really happy with how my hair felt overall. Let me know if you're gonna try this, if you've tried it before. What's your favorite deep conditioner? That's the question of the day. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time, it's Coily Diaries. Bye.